Welcome to James Joyce Coffetel Beijing Bird Nest Asian Sports Village International Conference Center branch, where refined luxury meets modern convenience. For those ready to experience this exceptional stay, simply scan the QR code in the description to book your reservation. Nestled in the heart of Beijing, this elegant hotel offers a seamless blend of sophistication and comfort, designed to cater to the discerning traveler. From the moment you step inside, you are greeted by an atmosphere of understated opulence, where every detail is thoughtfully curated to elevate your experience. The hotel's prime location near the iconic Bird's Nest Stadium and the Asian Sports Village ensures you are never far from the city's most impressive landmarks. Whether you're here for business at the nearby International Conference Center or exploring the vibrant culture of Beijing, the James Joyce Coffetel provides the perfect sanctuary. Each room is a haven of tranquility, featuring contemporary design, plush furnishings, and state-of-the-art amenities to ensure your stay is nothing short of extraordinary. Start your day with a delectable breakfast served in the elegant dining area, where a variety of culinary delights await to satisfy every palate. Stay effortlessly connected with complimentary Wi-Fi available throughout the hotel, ensuring you can work or unwind with ease. For those traveling by car, the convenient parking facilities offer peace of mind, allowing you to explore the city without a second thought. The hotel's luggage storage service further enhances your experience, providing a secure space for your belongings as you immerse yourself in all that Beijing has to offer. At James Joyce Coffetel, every moment is designed to make you feel pampered and priority. Whether you're savoring a quiet moment in the stylish lounge or venturing out to discover the city's treasures, this hotel is your gateway to a truly premium experience. Ready to embark on your next luxurious escape? Don't forget to scan the QR code in the description to secure your reservation at James Joyce Coffetel Beijing Bird Nest Asian Sports Village International Conference Center branch. Your exceptional stay awaits.